Yes, guys. Yes, everyone. Now, when I was young and I watched TV, and obviously, I watched TV. I loved watching TV and I really enjoyed it. I thought it was fun. And you watch and you think, oh, lots of good stuff. Everything's really fun and nice. And then there's some tragedies or different things that happen. And you're like, oh, that's terrible, whatever. But you move on because there's lots of positive TV and there's lots of great TV. Same thing now. I mean, you could watch a lot of great TV. There's a lot of positive in TV, definitely. There's lots of positive, lots of fun stuff. You could watch all positive stuff all day long. And there's so much fun to watch, right? And then there's some tragedy, and you can say, oh, too bad for that tragedy, right? Or maybe it's the videos I'm watching, right? Maybe there's a lot of videos that are very, very positive, right? But sometimes I watch a lot of videos, and it almost seems like there's like, if they take the dark side of like the Little Mermaid or the dark side of like stories of child actors that had a hard time, or like true crime and all this stuff, right? And you just think, my goodness, like what's going on, right? I mean, obviously there's a lot of good, you can still do the same thing you did when you were a kid, right? I mean, there is a lot of good out there. There's way more good than bad, right? Way more good than bad. But you just think, oh my goodness, like why are people this crazy, right? Anyway, thank you so much for watching the show, guys. Hold on. Melina, that was a show, darling. Yes, Micah, it was one of my most fabulous episodes ever, did it? Come on, girl, that wasn't the show, darling. Really, darling? Really, did it? Oh, come on, Micah, get off your high horse, did it? Get off your high horse, you don't have my high horse, did it? Sorry, Micah, au revoir, bye now. Micah, tell him, did it?